Imagine you're running a big online game, but your computer at home just can't handle all the players. What if Amazon built a massive hotel full of super powerful computers? And you could rent a room anytime you wanted. That's kind of what EC2 is. EC2 stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. Think of each room in that hotel as a different kind of computer. Need something tiny? Grab a small room. Need a monster machine? Book the suite. And when you're done, just check out. You only pay for the nights you stay. Picture this. A company launches a brand new website. They check in to an EC2 room, run their app, serve customers, and when traffic slows down, they shut it off. No hardware, no maintenance, no crying over burnt servers. Just click. Room ready? Done. That's the elastic part. It stretches or shrinks with your needs. Next time someone says EC2, think of it like Amazon's hotel for computers. Always open, always running. And yep, you only pay for the room you use. Simple, visual, fun. This is AWS ELI5.